Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making Mexican Milanesa tortas. So I'm going to start with the ingredients. Over here I have the steak that I'm going to be using, and this one is shoulder sandwich steak, and it's real thin. If you can see, it's not real thick. And over here I have 1 tablespoon of lime pepper. This one is the one that I'm using. And I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of garlic powder with salt, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put all the spices together. Garlic. So I'm going to mix all the spices together. And I'm not putting any salt because, like I tell you, the garlic already has the salt, and we don't want to make them salty. And the last one. So I'm going to cover this and put it to the side, okay? So I'm going to cover it with a foil and put it to the side. So here I already have 1 cup of flour, and I have 1 cup of breadcrumbs. These ones are the ones that I'm using. And over here I'm going to be putting 3 eggs, okay? So I'm going to mix it real good. So I'm going to put them in the order that I'm going to be using them. I'm going to put the flour first here, then the egg, and then the breadcrumbs, okay? And I have a plate over here, and I have the meat over here, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the meat and the flour first. So try to put a lot of flour. Shake it. And then put it in the egg. And I'm using only 1 hand right here so you can see. But you can use 1 hand for the flour and the breadcrumbs. And 1 for the egg, okay? Shake it and put it to the side, and we do the other one. It's a little messy, but they're real good. Now the egg. The plate is too small. it for the extra. And they look like that so far. So now it's going to be time for frying. I already put the oil on the pan and I have it on the fire, okay? So now it's time to start frying the Milanesa. I already checked and the oil's already hot. I'm going to do one by one because these ones are big. You see how it's frying in there? Okay, it's gonna be time to turn it over. And this one is already done. We're just gonna shake it a little bit and put it to the side. And I'm gonna put the other one in there. Slide it a little bit because they're too big. And that's how it looks when it's already cooked. Okay, it's time to turn this one. Okay, and this one is done too. It's a little messy, but the tortas are real good. So it's time to turn the Milanesas. Okay, so these ones are already done, so I'm gonna remove this one first. So we're done cooking the Milanesas. Okay, now we have everything we're gonna need for the tortas. Over here I have fried beans that I fry. I have the mayo, the French bread, a tomato, avocado, and one red onion. I'm using only half. And I have the Oaxaca cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese that you want, as long as it melts. And over here I have the jalapenos, and these ones are from a can, jalapeno with vinegar. And over here I have the Milanesa. So I'm gonna start by cutting the vegetables that I'm gonna need for the torta. I'm just gonna cut half of the tomato because I'm only making 2 tortas right now. just like that. And like this. Okay, so it's time to cut the bread, and I have it right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it in the middle like this. And you can cut it all the way through if you want to, but I just open it like this, a little more. That way it's easy to fold when we put everything in here. So I'm gonna cut another one. And open it. And just go like this in here. Just a little bit so it can open all the way through. So now I'm gonna put it in the comal so I can toast it a little bit over here from the inside. So I'm gonna put butter in here a little bit. So we're gonna let it toast it a little bit in there. Okay, let's check a little bit. It's almost done. Just a little more. It depends how toasted do you want it. So now I'm gonna put it to the side, and it's time for the cheese. It's time to move the bread from the comal. You see how it looks with all the melted cheese. Okay, it's time to make the torta. So I'm gonna put a little mayo over here. Right there. And the beans. I'm putting the beans on this side. And you can also replace the beef steak for chicken. Let's put it this way, this side, like this. Let's put four. And now the onion. Looks real good. So I just gonna slide it in there, and you can put as much as you want to. Slide it right there. Let's put that onion on top. Now it's time for the jalapeno. Now it's time to close it. And here's the Milanesa torta. Now I'm gonna cut it in half. That way you can see how it looks from the inside. And this is how it looks, okay? Okay, so the Milanesa tortas are done, and in less than 45 minutes, you already have dinner for everybody. And they look like this from the inside. So I hope you like the recipe, and thank you for watching all my videos, and like and subscribe.